Turn on the mic one by one. They will speak their full name. They will turn on the mic and speak the full name one by one. See how you have to do one by one. That is what you have to cooperate. You have to coordinate. When you see someone's mic is on, you don't have to turn on the mic. If two people will speak together, I will stop the lecture over there only. So one by one, turn on the mic, speak your name, and mute your mic.
Yes, sir. Bidda, yes, I am fine.
Yes, sir, Bariyan and Shafiq, I am fine.
Yes, sir. Gabrani Mohammad Rehan, I am fine.
Yes, sir. Sheikh Rehan is
Mirza
fine.
Naim,
I think I can see Mubin sitting.
Yes, sir. Musal Muhammad Kef is fine.
Muhammad is fine.
Someone's camera is on. Please turn off the camera. Please turn off the camera. Um, so here, people, can anyone tell me what have we done in our previous lecture?
Sir, can I say?
sir, can I say speak Bariyan and Shafiq?
Sir, can
Only
I say?
Shafiq will speak. Only Shafiq will speak now. Shafiq, you may say what have we done in the previous lecture?
Sir, previous lecture I have
We
lesson
have.
number 11 hard word only done.
Is this lesson or is this poem 11 better?
Poem 11 hard words.
You have written hard words of poem 11. Have you not written meanings and give one word?
No, sir.
Ayaz, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Have you also written the hard words?
Yes, sir.
What about meanings and given words? Have I not given you in this class?
No, sir, not given.
No problem. We will do it. It is right there in the box. It's just that you need to know which one is given word and which one is meaning. Anyways, now few things we will discuss before we start with today's poem understanding because I'm going to explain you. You can see two paragraphs. I mean to say two stanzas are there written on the board for the poem 11, right? So Ayaz, please read the heading.
Yes, sir. Poem 11. The M- the marriage. Sir, what is that?
Very good. Marog.
Yes, sir, marriage.
Whose mic is on?
Pariyan Shafiq.
Shafiq, you should know that after speaking, you should mute your mic. If you do not do that, forcefully we will have to remove. So, heading of the poem is the Marog. Now, this poem is based on, this poem is based on, what is written here?
Alien. Alien.
Yes, this poem is based on
Alien.
Alien. Not on Ayaz. Alien. See, everyone is speaking Ayaz. It is Alien. Why Ayaz? Everyone is taking your name.
No, sir, I am not alien. I am human being only.
Then Rehan is saying that Ayaz is alien. Am I audible to all
Sir,
of
I
you?
think, sir, I think he is alien.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think I am not audible. That is why they are not answering. But anyways, so this poem is based on alien. Now, students, just say yes or no. Everyone, have you heard this word ever before? Alien. Have you heard
Yes,
it
sir.
Yes, sir, so much times.
so many times? Okay. So you have heard this word alien. Can anyone tell me what is alien? Who is alien? I mean,
Sir, can I say with the yes?
mm, okay, I need someone else to answer. Can anyone say what is an alien?
Sir, no one is unmuting the mic and asking that. Can I say?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, alien means who live in space.
Oh, a short description. Good. Who answered me?
Sir,
Someone
Shaban Ali.
said,
Sama Mohammed Zaid answered that the alien means who lives in the space, that means in the other planet. Okay. Um, so can anyone name any movie based on the alien? There are 2 to 3 movies which are based on the alien. So can you give me the name of the movie which is based on the alien? Because in that movie description, everything is very well given. The story entirely is based on the aliens. In that movie, they have shown that aliens are better than human beings. Even their mind is very, very sharp. So one of the names I remember is Koi Mil Gaya. This is the name of the movie, which is based on Alien. There, the story, the life of the alien is depicted in the story, right? Now, students, just say yes or no. Do you believe that aliens are there in the other planet? What do you
Sir,
yes.
think?
I think with the
No,
yes.
yes, sir.
Sir, I think with the yes.
See,
Because, sir,
either you
there
say
are.
either you say yes or
Okay,
no.
sir,
You
you.
need to give me your name. When you say no,
Yes,
you have to give me your name. When you say yes, you have to give me your name.
Yes, Sama Muhammad Zaid.
yes, sir,
Yes,
with the
Rehan
yes.
Kabrani.
Yes, sir, Nakwira ki Hasan.
Okay.
Sir,
Now,
sir, Nakwira ki person
Ayaz.
is just. वो in Hindi it is saying na hame ha milana. When I was in fourth, I said that. So he said to ma'am and
And ma'am asked him the question, and he did not know what was going on. Yes, this happens sometimes. Anyways, Ayaz, you were giving the reason. Why do you think aliens are there? And then you are speaking something.
there are so many galaxies except our galaxy Milky Way. There are so many galaxies and there are so many planets. So there is life possible on other any planet. Alien means any living being that is not birthed in our Earth.
Birthed, that is not the past tense.
Yes, sir. So what is the past tense? I don't know.
That word is wrong in that space. You should say that they do not live on our planet. So, very well said. Yes, Nakwi Ragib Hassan, why do you think that the aliens are there anywhere else outside the Earth?
Ma'am, sir, I don't know that aliens are there or not.
Just now you said yes, sir. So I asked you that question only. That do you think aliens are there? You said yes, sir. Why did you say yes, sir? Now say.
Yes, sir. That Gazamfar is saying that aliens are there. So first I say yes and then no.
No, you
Sir,
did not say no.
I
You
was
said yes.
saying no. He is just doing that only. Hame hamilana.
Yes, when I'm talking to other people, you should know that in online class you cannot speak like this. When you're in the class, it is different matter, better. Because here one-on-one connection is going on. So Ragi Vasan, why you don't think that the aliens are there?
Sir, because someone says that aliens are there, and someone says that aliens are not there. So I think that now I have to choose that alien are not there.
You don't know that there are many galaxies, like we are living in the Milky Way, where the on the planet Earth.
No,
So
sir, I don't.
there are millions of galaxies.
Sir, no, sir, I don't know that because I am not interested in science.
Neither do I. This is just a knowledge you should have.
Yeah.
Anyway, so students, see, like our planet Earth is in the Milky Way. Now there are other planets also, right? How many planets are there? How many planets are there?
Um, uncountable planets are there. We can
Shut
just not
up.
count.
How many planets are there?
8.
In our galaxy,
Can you? Obviously, I'm asking about Milky Way.
yes, sir.
Sir, 8.
I
8. Name them. Name them. Name that planet. Name the 8 planets.
Mars,
It is written.
Jupiter, Earth,
Venus,
Venus, and
Saturn.
Uranus.
So can I speak about Dolia?
sir, can
Yes,
I
yes,
finish the
Ahmad,
yes?
you can.
Mercury,
Let Ahmad
Venus,
speak.
Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Okay. Pluto has
Sir,
gone,
can I say
no?
the yes?
Pluto has gone, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. It is the draft planet, but it is there in Milky Way galaxy, and
Yeah.
two more planets are there in our Milky Way galaxy.
They are not actually considered, but right?
Yes, sir.
Anyways, now our discussion will not be on the planets anymore. But I just wanted to say that, like in our Milky Way, we count that 8 planets are now there. So you should know that that is only in the Milky Way. Now, just imagine that this is our Milky Way, where say for an example, these planets are there. You cannot even reach to Jupiter. Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
400 light years you have to travel if you want to reach to Jupiter. That means in the speed of light, you have to travel 400 years approximate. Can you live 400 years?
No, sir. Obviously not.
Obviously not. 100 is done. Right? So people cannot reach even from one planet to another planet, which is very far in our Milky Way only. How do you know what is going outside our Milky Way? There are millions of Milky Way. There are millions of galaxies like our Milky Way is. Are you getting my point? Yes or no, people?
Yes, sir.
There are millions of other galaxies like we are living in on the Milky Way and in on the planet Earth. There are millions of galaxies out there in the space you don't know. We cannot reach even till the Jupiter or till the Mars because if you will go near the sun, boom, over. So you know that sun is the biggest star in the Milky Way, but outside there in the other galaxies, there the stars are bigger in the size than the sun. Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
Sun is biggest in the Milky Way, but outside there, larger than that, huge size of stars are there which are bigger than the sun. So it is not the biggest in the space; it is biggest in the Milky Way only. So you don't know where the aliens are. Aliens might be there. Like we cannot reach to the other planets, they might not be able to reach us. But still, in America and in many other countries, they have seen aliens. So just imagine how powerful are the aliens. We cannot reach even to the other planet in the same galaxy, but they can just cross their galaxy and come here. How powerful they might be. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now, see, Ragi Bagin started. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Without knowing anything. Okay. So Ayas, can you just read first two lines?
Yes, sir.
Let me clear this stuff. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, please read first three lines.
Yes, sir. My desk at the back of the class, and nobody knows I am a Marog from Mars.
Okay,
With
mute your mic. Thank you. I said first three lines only. Now, students, here the poem starts. Here the story is the poem is based on an alien who is living the life like the human being in between the human being. And Marok says that my desk is at the back of the class. Students, my question is, have you seen the classroom?
yes, sir.
Have you seen the classroom, people?
Yes, sir. So many times.
Okay. I will count that all the other students are absent. Only Ayaz is present. And for
Yes,
today,
sir.
sorry, now, no, now don't give answer. For today's date, 8/2/2021, only Ayaz will get the internal marks. And sorry for all the other students, as you are not answering. I have already asked to sir to put in the file absent mark
I
because
am
if you don't
answering.
answer, because if you do not answer, you are equal to absent. Thank you.
I am answering, sir.
But when I said that I will put absent on that time, you said yes, sir.
Sir, I have give answer.
No problem. Thank you. So my desk is at the back of the class. Here Marok says that, alien says that his desk is at the back of the class. He is sitting at the last bench. How many of you sit at the last bench?
Sir, I am
Nobody.
Rehan Gabrani.
Sir, with the yes.
You sit at the last bench. Then are you able to see the board?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir, but
So, but
sir,
what?
sit.
Yeah. Who else's mic is on?
Sir, Rehan Gabrani.
Thank you, Rehan Gabrani, for answering me. Mute your mic. Thank you. Yes, I asked.
Yes, sir, you sit.
You said something, but
Yes, sir, but in third and fourth, that if we are sitting in last bench, so after the se- uh, the second day, we will sit at first bench. No, sir,
Rotation is
we
going
will
on.
sit at
Okay.
second. Yes, sir, second last bench and
Okay.
fourth bench.
Okay. Fine. 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 So here Marok says that he's sitting at the last bench and nobody knows, but nobody knows. That means nobody knows that the alien is there. Nobody knows that alien is there and he's sitting in the classroom. And nobody also knows that in the classroom, Marok, that is alien, is sitting on the last bench. Now, just imagine you are sitting in the classroom, okay? And you people are sitting, just imagine that you people are sitting on the first, second, third bench. Marok is sitting on the fifth or sixth bench in the last bench. So just imagine, students, when you are sitting in the class and suddenly when you see alien is there on the last bench, what will you do?
Sir, I will become friend with him.
With alien?
Yes, sir.
I also,
If he is
because we
friendly,
have
Yes, sir.
I will become the friend.
knowledge from them also, and you also.
Ma- okay, who is this Ali Bhai Gamers?
He is alias Garvasaya.
Alias Gar. Are you eating something? Then you are not answering me when I say boys. All the boys are answering because I'm in the boys class. So Ali, what you will do when you see the alien sitting in the class? Okay. So here my question is to Mahir. I think Mahir is also sleeping.
No, sir.
Yes, you are sleeping.
No, sir. I'm not
Okay, Mahir,
sleeping.
I will show you. Okay, I will show you one picture. This is the picture of alien. Can you see? Can you see, students, the picture of alien?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, yes, sir. We can see picture of alien.
It is Marog. What is his name?
Marrow.
Narog.
What is the name of this alien?
Mero.
Narog.
Okay. So this was Marog of our poem. This was the hero actually of our poem. Now, students, all of you will answer me one by one. When you see alien sitting at the last bench, what you will do? Come on.
We will
First
friendship
student
with.
Sir,
said
I
that
will.
we will friendship. Okay.
Sir, I will do friendship with him and take one eye of him.
I will also.
Okay. Arsh, where is Arsh Bilakhia? Yes, Arsh, are you there? He is not speaking. He might not be knowing how to turn on the mic. Shafiq,
Yes, sir.
now your chance. What you will do when you see alien sitting at the last bench of your class? Just now I showed you the picture of Marog, right?
Yes.
So what you will do when you see that Marog is sitting at the last bench of your class? You will shout,
No, sir.
then you will cry,
No, sir.
then what you will do?
Sir, uh, I am. No, no.
I am.
I am smiling.
You will smile.
Yes.
Looking at alien, you will smile.
Yes.
But okay, you will not get afraid.
No, sir.
Fine, that is good. Where is Ragi Basan? Where is Ragi
Sir,
Basan?
we are studying. Now I know everything, sir.
Okay,
Ask me.
you know everything. My just
Yes.
question is, what you will do when you will see the Marok sitting at the last bench?
Mm, sir, first I will see and I will talk and I will ask that in which galaxy you are living and that his hobbies and his essay I will ask.
But if he doesn't know your language,
Sir,
and
I
if
don't
he
know.
is
Sir, he is
ferocious,
alien. He can do magic.
no. My question is,
He is alien.
if he
Yes,
if
sir.
he is ferocious, if he is ferocious, then
Sir, what is
So
the meaning of
he will
ferocious,
do
sir?
magic and I know that how to speak Prometheus.
no, he is ferocious. Then what he will do?
Then I will not do anything. He will do everything.
Sir, if he is Russians, we
Someone his mic is on. That is why we are getting double voice. Means he is very aggressive. He is very aggressive. Yes, full of anger.
sir, we will do with Ishara. I don't know what is meaning. I don't know what to speak in English
Sir, he will
Ishara.
do by action.
That's why I speak in Gujarati.
Gestures, gestures. You will talk to him using your gestures, sign languages. Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. So now here Marok says that I am sitting on the last bench. No one knows in the class that the alien is there, and no one knows that he is in the class, sitting like a human being. So now Marok says that I am Marok from Mars. So from which planet Marok is?
Mars. Mars.
Mars.
And you people are from which planet?
Earth.
Earth?
Earth.
Are you sure you are from the planet Earth?
Yes, sir, I am sure.
Yes, sir, we are sure.
Yes, sir, I am sure.
Okay, I thought that you are from the different planet. With a body of brass and 17 fingers and toes. Now, what kind of body we have? What kind of body we have? We are made up of brass? No. It is a different
No,
material.
sir.
It is used to make different utensils and different machineries. The body or the spare parts are made. But what kind of body we have? We are not made up of brass. Then what are we made up of?
Sir, we
We
are
have
made up of
skin,
muscles. Muscles, skins,
we have
then
we have muscles, we have skeleton inside, we have blood inside, we have different body parts, systems working inside, right? But unlike us, he is made up of which material?
brass.
And how many fingers he has?
17
17
fingers.
fingers.
17.
And what do you mean by toe? Toes means what? Can anyone tell me?
Sir,
Toes.
the fingers of our leg, our foot.
What of our foot?
Fingers of our foot is called toes.
So how many fingers do you have, people? Students here,
10.
how many
10.
fingers you have?
Fingers and sir, 5
I
toes
have
and 5 fingers.
20. I have 20.
Sir, what?
Fingers. See,
Sir,
this way 10.
from which planet you are?
Sir, I have 16
See,
fingers. 16 fingers.
16.
Yes, sir.
You might be from the planet Jupiter.
Sir, eight of hand, eight of leg.
Oh, see, I have 20. If you count 10 like this and 10 like this, so 20.
Sir, I have count like eight of leg, eight of hand, two thumb.
Oh, okay. So that means that you have eliminated thumb from your hand. Okay, jokes apart. Now Marok says that he has 17 fingers and 17 toes. Do you want to count? Okay, I will show you the picture once again. Boys, count the fingers. Count the fingers. Come on. Count the fingers of this Marok. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. How many fingers and toes he has?
17.
17.
17.
How many hands he has? Three.
How many hands he
Five
has?
are showing. Five.
He have
But
five
Five
eyes.
hands are showing.
and is it beautiful or ugly?
Scarily.
Scarily.
Sir, he is not
And this,
beautiful also and not scary also.
then you should use neither nor. Neither beautiful nor
He's
scary.
friendly. He's friendly.
No, he is not at all friendly. He is not at all friendly. And you do not know. He is not friendly. Let us see if he is friendly at the end or not. Fine. Who will read this paragraph? First of all, Ayaz, what is the time, beta?
9:20.
9:22.
Okay, who will read this for me? This paragraph? This paragraph?
Sir, can I somehow say sir?
Sir, Pariyani sir.
Okay, okay, okay.
Sir, Mahir Barucha. Sir, Mahir Barucha.
Done.
Sir, Prehan.
Mute your mic.
Sir, Mahir Barucha.
Okay. Everyone mute your mic. Mute your mic. Now, first two lines Mahir will read. Last three lines Raghib will read. Raghib, as soon as Mahir ends these two lines, you have to start. Okay?
Okay,
Are you both ready? Are you both ready?
Yes, sir.
Start,
Will
please.
not. Sir, can I start?
Yes, please.
Will not they shriek if they knew
If they knew.
if they knew
I have
I have three guesses,
what is this?
sir.
Mahir, where do you look from? With the help of which body part
Sir,
will you
eyes.
look everywhere? This is eyes. Read again this line.
I have three eyes in the back of my head,
Okay,
and
Raghib.
my hair is and my hair is bright purple. My nose is deep blue, and my teeth are half yellow and half red.
Okay, so basically, Mahir, you are having three eyes, and Raghib, your teeth is yellow and red. So bad.
No, sir, I brushed every time. My teeth is not yellow.
So Mahir, you
You
are
are
having three
telling
eyes.
lies.
Mahir, you are having three eyes.
Sir, Raghib is telling lies. His teeth is yellow.
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. No more discussion on that. Now, everyone, here just the short description Marok is giving of himself, that how he is, appearance, how he is look wise. So his appearance is like this. That wouldn't they strike if they knew? First of all, Marok says that if students will come to know, students are very small. He might be sitting in the first or second standard. So Marok says that if the students will turn back, if they will be able to see that I am sitting, will they not shout? Will they not scream? So when you get afraid and you scream, that is called shrike. Okay. So here Marok says that if they will see that I'm sitting, will they not shout? I have three eyes on the back of my head. Where Marog has three eyes on the
Back of his head.
Back of the head.
and in front also he has two eyes. So total how many eyes he has?
5 eyes.
5.
Five. Okay. So students, have you seen any movie in which Salman Khan says that he has two eyes at the back? He wears glasses on the back of his collar,
Yes, sir.
right? Same like that, Marog also says that he has three eyes, but Marog actually has three eyes, right? We saw in the picture. And my hair is bright purple. No, my hair is not bright purple. Marog says that his hair is of which color? Everyone, which color hair he
Bright
has?
purple.
Purple.
Sir, bright purple.
Okay, my hair is of which color?
Sir,
My hair is
your
of which
hair
color?
is black.
Pure
Black.
Look like
No,
light brown.
Black.
it is light brown, actually light brown.
In hair.
But actually it is of light brown color. So in camera it looks like that. Otherwise it is light brown. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
my nose is
Sir,
yes, beta.
it is natural or you have painted?
Painted? How can you paint? You can color. No, no, no. I have not colored. From my birth, I have this color. Thank you for asking me the question like an interviewer. Okay. My nose is deep blue. Now Marok says that his nose is of which color?
Deep blue.
Deep blue color.
Deep blue. There are different blue colors. Sky blue color are there. Similarly, deep blue color. His nose is of deep blue color. And my teeth are half yellow and half red. Now, again, Marok says that his teeth. Now, you see the teeth on the upper side is of yellow color and the lower side, lower jaw, it is of red color. So, this is what and this is how Marok described his appearance, how he looks like. And just now you saw the picture of Marok, which was exactly like how he described he is. So here, any doubts in these two paragraphs? Did you understand where he comes from? His body is made up
No,
of
sir.
brass. Where is he sitting? Right? And how he looks
Yes, sir.
like.
No, sir.
Sir, I want to ask you a question.
Who is this?
Or truly, sir.
Sir, time is
Dolia, I have told you 10 times that you want to ask the question. How will you ask? In the lecture? I think this is the 8th or 10th time I am poking you, beta. Okay, anyways, the time is up. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Hi, sir. Good morning.